So, balik na tayo ng Hyderabad, guys. It's another 8 hours journey. And ito na yung huling pagkakataon na makakasama namin sila mother-in-law. Kasi, after this, ilang araw na lang uwi na tayo sa Pilipinas. So, magpapaalam na kami sa kanila. It's going to be a tough day. But, we'll see. Are they still sleeping? Tanya? Tanvi? Even Aruhi? How about Adia? Adia is there? Okay. Let's wake them up. Tingnan niyo ang mga batang ito, guys. Attempt talaga sila natutulog. Gustong gusto nila. Try to wake them up. We need to go. Come on. Eat breakfast. Tanya. Aruhi. We'll go now. Wake up. Ito ang aming breakfast. Bhaji and idli. Kain tayo, guys. Looks like a gun.
And this one looks like a bird. Oh, this is actually a bird.
The chitli is so nice. Last night we ate this chitli only.
Start eating na. So we're getting late.
I can't open it. I can't.
They're brushing up already? They're brushing?
Yeah.
Brushing? Say bye to them, okay? Welcome to Philippines, guys.
Welcome to Philippines, guys.
You will visit us, right?
Yeah.
You will miss Padama? Who you will miss more, Ryan or Padama? Huh? Padama. You miss Padama more? How about you, Tanya? Who you will miss more? Padama, Ryan? Ryan?
And then
Padama?
Tiger.
And then Udalala?
Yes. Tiger. Tiger. Tiger.
Nanama is crying, guys, inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, right? Nanama keep crying, right? So sad. Update guys, we've been traveling for I think in a total of 3 hours na. And nag-stop kami doon sa bahay ng pinsan ni Ram sa Eluru para kumain ng lunch. Then nagkape pa kasi ayaw nila kami umalis. Gusto nila mag-start kami hapon na. Mahirap mag-travel pag gabi guys. So talagang sabi nila Ram, kailangan na naming mag-start. So naka-start kami ng mga 1:00. It's already 3 o'clock. So we still have 4 hours and 30 minutes to reach Hyderabad. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog agad kasi nag-iyakan pa kami. Ang hirap guys, ang hirap kasi mamiss namin sila. Si Ryan umiyak, si Daddy Ram umiyak, lahat umiyak, si Sai, si Prasanna. Yung mga kids hindi masyado, parang ano pa sila, excited silang pumunta ng Philippines kasi alam nila may chance pumunta ng Pilipinas pag andun kami. Pero kami na alam niya na, alam talaga yung magiging sitwasyon. Syempre hindi natin alam ang mangyayari. So emotional ang lahat. Hindi ko napigilan ang aking sarili guys. Akala ko hindi ako iyak, pero naiyak talaga ako. Bigat sa loob. But let's stay positive. Dito pala kami sa Madras Coffee Shop. Nasabi ko ba? Bumibili si Daddy Ram ng kape. Magkakape lang ulit kami, then mag-start na ulit tayong magbiyahe. Arrival time around 7:35. Hindi na kami mag-stop somewhere after this. So most probably yun yung tamang arrival time natin. Ito na si Daddy Ram.
I did not take because that's too hot. I don't want to put here.
Okay, so this is coffee only.
I go washroom and come back there.
Sure. Hindi ko siya matamis. We only have mga 10 araw guys. Then we'll travel to Philippines na. We'll wake him up later maybe.
Yeah, when I will wake him up, I'll stop that time. We can have this Horlicks.
Because he wants Horlicks. And if he wake up now, he will be sad again. He's so sad.
Yeah.
Now he's snoring.
But I'm sleeping.
Yeah, at least.
He's tired also. He was playing like anything. He had I didn't see call.
Yeah, that's true. 4 hours and 28 minutes.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Ito na kami sa Starbucks guys. Ryan, are you hungry? You want anything? Huh?
I'm actually very hungry.
Very hungry Daddy. Oh my God.
Get for him regular one.
Okay. Ang daming tao dyan sa Hotel Vivera. So, dito ako sa Starbucks. Wala walang tao. Ito yung kinain ni Ryan dati. Chicken in English muffin. Basta what? Yes. Thank you. Grabe ang traffic guys. Oh. Ito sila nag-park. Careful, okay? Enjoy! 2 hours and 30 minutes more guys, and it's super duper traffic everywhere.
Still 130 kilometers.
Yeah, a long way to go. And someone is enjoying at the back his favorite.
You can't even ask me what you want.
We have egg there, Daddy. Once we reach Hyderabad, we'll buy something, okay? For dinner. For now, eat egg. You ask your mom to cook that one. So, we should finish.
Yeah.
Should not waste.
Yes.
Finally, Hyderabad. 1 hour to home. But toll gate is traffic also. But we are almost there. What do you want for dinner, Daddy? KFC or McDonald's?
KFC.
No need. We'll decide later.
Okay. Finally, KFC time. Drive-thru. Then magsaing ng rice sa bahay. Wait. Bucket chicken. Anything.
Which bucket?
Then French fries.
Hello. 1 second. You want bucket chicken, right?
Yeah.
Levi's is moving, Anna.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Our KFC. Reach home after how many hours? Finally, sa wakas. Ang laki ng space. Nothing is outside. Finally. Naka-finally din siya, guys. Are you going to cook rice, Daddy? Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you. Ito gura din ang umatake.
This one we ate in the car, so it's empty.
Yeah. Oh, 9:30 na, guys. Sabi ko kanina darating kami ng 7:30, di ba? 2 hours late kasi sobrang traffic talaga. Ang dami ko na namang magiging labahin bukas. Thank you, Daddy. You can eat your burger now. Rhea is just freshening up. The house is clean kasi nilinisan bago kami lumarga sa probinsya. Yes. Hindi na makapaghintay. Si Ryan lang yung kumain kanina, di ba? Anong oras yun? Kami, dati lang hindi pa kami kumakain. Nagkape lang. So, gutom is real. Magkakapag-KFC din.
Kain tayo.
Kain toyo. KFC, kain toyo.
Just wait for the rice now, okay? You can have some chicken and French fries. Kasi hindi tayo mabusog nito. Kung walang rice.
Double down.
Double down, Daddy. Get double down.
Can it happen, babe?
Of course.
Oh.
Careful.
We thought 7:30 will reach home, right? Then, Daddy Ram's friend, he said, you will reach 9:30. We really reached 9:30. Ano ka na said? The traffic, we will reach 9:30. The French fries we ate in the car was so fresh.
It's hot.
Still hot, that one?
No French fries that time.
But that one?
Okay. Not cold, not hot.
Had fun in Budamana. Are you going to miss them? We'll call them again before we go. Video call, okay? After you're cold already, are you guys in Hyderabad? Did you reach? Decided. Nag-check na ang lahat. Is it hot? The weather?
Yeah?
A little, it seems.
Yeah, not cold. Maybe because all the doors closed also, that's why we didn't know.
Yeah. Eat na na. I-separate ko na ito guys para malabhan ko na bukas. Ito mga nasuot namin. And then, ito naman. Ang mga hindi nasuot. Ay, hindi nasuot ba? Parang. Nasuot na. So, dyan muna yan. Ito ang aking ilalabas. Ang sipag ni Ram guys, nag-vacuum na siya ng bahay namin. Ang nakakatawa pa, habang nagba-vacuum siya, may kausap siya sa telepono. Diba? Siya na talaga. Hindi na nga kami magkarinigan dito sa bahay. May kausap siya sa telepono. Ewan ko, sinong kausap? Yung kaibigan niya ata yung kausap niya. Very helpful ito. O, diba? Pagpunta namin ng Pilipinas, ganito ko rin i-separate yung mga damit para hindi mahirap i-organize. Then alam ko kung kaninong damit ang mga to, kaninong damit ang mga yan. Diba? Konti lang yung dadating ko guys. Mag-order na ako sa Shopee, sa Lazada, at saka sa Shein. Wala pa nga sa Pilipinas si Mami Burley. Yun na yung iniisip guys, ang online shopping. Online shopping natin dyan. Ayan. Babalik ko na yan sa kanilang cabinet. Para ma-organize ko na. In a few days, mag-i-empake na naman tayo para sa sa Pilipinas. After siguro na lumipat kami dito sa Hyderabad guys, itong trip na ito yung pinakamatagal namin doon sa probinsya. 1 week kami doon guys. Nagbiyahe kami ng Sunday, diba? Yan, balik din ng Sunday. Ayun, halos araw-araw, iyakan talaga. Grabe guys, pigil na pigil ako. Iniiwasan ko si mother-in-law kasi pag nasa isang kwarto lang kami, bigla na lang siyang iiyak. Tapos yun nga, mag-ahag. Then, ang ginagawa ko, nagpupunta ako kung saan si Prasanna para medyo siya, mag-hesitant siya na umiyak kasi nakakaawa. Araw-araw siyang umiyak. Then, kanina, talagang hindi talaga mapigilan guys. Nung nasa kwarto na kami, then nag-usap-usap, talagang tumulo na yung luha ko. Si Ram din. And si mother-in-law, sabi niya, hindi natin alam kung kailan kayo babalik dito sa India. Kung maninirahan ba kayo ulit dito or magpo-for good na kayo sa Pilipinas. Meron siya. May point naman siya. Pero we'll see. Hindi pa natin alam, di ba, kung ano talaga ang magiging sitwasyon. Pero alam nyo na kung saan tayo dadalhin ng tadhana, doon tayo. And everyone wants a better life, di ba? For our kids, for our family. So, we'll see kung ano yung nakatadhana sa atin sa Pilipinas. Natatawa ako sa kanila kasi si Bawagaro, yung pinsan ni Ram, sabi na niya next year daw, bago siya umuwi kasi every year siya umuwi, bago siya umuwi ng India, punta daw muna siya sa Pilipinas, then uwi ng India. Kasi gustong-gusto na nilang magbakasyon doon sa Pinas, guys. And then yung pamangkin din ni Ram, nagsabi na rin. Pati yung kaibigan ng pinsan ni Ram, nagsabi na rin. Pati yung mga kaibigan ni Ram, nagpaplano na rin silang pumunta ng Pilipinas at magbakasyon. O, diba? It's a good opportunity for everyone. Siyempre, andun kami, mag-guide namin sila. And halos lahat sa kanila, first time mag-out of the country. Mga kaibigan ni Ram, ganun. So, di ba? Magtayo kami ng travel agency. Hindi na nila mag-business tayo sa Pilipinas, guys. So boys are ready for shout out. Who's gonna go first?
Me.
Okay.
Shout out to Ana Mary de la Cruz and Reginigo.
Regine go. Very good. Okay. Daddy.
And my shout out. Shout out to Krung Krong HYD, Tio Atun, and Lilian Mendiola.
Daddy is ready for summer in the Philippines.
Yes.
He will wear this exact thing.
Yeah, you also.
Like this only.
Yes. Bunyan. Black bunyan.
Okay, say bye to guys. Bye guys.
Bye guys. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share. Ring the bell icon. Bye.
See you bukas.